In this video, I'm gonna share 5 amazing string tricks in Python that is going to enhance your knowledge and make your coding more efficient. So let's get started. So suppose you are given a string, say capital A, and here you have to find the ASCII code for this string. Then there's a built-in function in Python called ORD and it returns the ASCII code. So let's run this code and see the ASCII code for A. And as you can see, the ASCII code for capital A is 65. And suppose the ASCII code of the character is given and you want to find the character. Then there's another function called CHR. And here you can give A. That's it. Let's run the code. Here it should be integer. Let's run the code. And as you can see, the character with the ASCII code 65 is capital A. Let's move on to the next step. So here you are given a string and here you want to find the length of this string. Then here, instead of creating a temporary variable count or using a for loop, here there's a built-in function in Python called len. And all you have to do, you have to write len and give the string, and that's it. Let's run this code. And as you can see, the length of this string is 6. Let's move on to the next step. So suppose you are given a big string and here you want to find the count of a certain character. Then instead of using any for loops, there's a built-in function in Python. It's called count and it's written as s dot count, and that's it. Now it will take a character as an argument. So here I want to find the occurrence of A in this string. As you can see, A has occurred 8 times in this string. But there's something special about this count function. Suppose I want to find the count of A from 0 to 8th index. In here, I can give 0 and 8, and that's it. Let me reformat this code. Let's rerun this code. And as you can see, from 0 to 8th index, A has occurred 4 times. This is something amazing about this count function. Let's move on to the next step. Suppose you are given a string and here you want to reverse this string. Then, instead of using any for loops or any complicated code, there's a simple trick to do this. You can write print here. All you gotta do is you have to write A, and in square brackets you have to write colon colon -1, and that's it. This is going to reverse the string, and as you can see, the string is reversed. Let's move on to the next step. So here we have our string, and there are some functions you should definitely know. Suppose you want to capitalize each letter of this string, then you can just write a dot upper, and that's it. When you run this code, as you can see, each letter is capitalized. And suppose here I want to capitalize the first letter of this string, then you can write a dot capitalize, and that's it. It's going to capitalize the first letter of this string. As you can see here, s is capitalized. And now suppose you are given a new string where all the letters are capital, and here you want to convert this string into a lowercase string, then you can write a dot lower, and that's it. Let's run this code. Oh, I mean s dot lower. Let's rerun the code, and as you can see, we've got our desired output. Well, this is not the end. Here are some more amazing Python tricks like these. And if you want to check your coding knowledge, then you can try solving these coding puzzles. And if you don't want to miss the upcoming videos, then don't forget to subscribe.